Hi, boys and girls. This is for February 19th, Wednesday's home learning assignments. Today is day 5, and so currently you're watching this video, and of course I'd like you to start with your devotional again. I liked how some of you guys even posted some of your journal entries and prayers from the devotional. You may have noticed that I did not post anything on PowerSchool Learning, and that you actually got a notification and announcement through Seesaw. So from now on, Miss Yang will be posting just that I've updated the home learning document through Seesaw. That way you guys only have to log into Seesaw and not worry about going into PowerSchool Learning. All right, so today we are going to be doing an extended readers workshop, and you need to watch and listen to the read aloud for chapter 2 and 3 of Because of Winn-Dixie. There's a mini lesson for you to also learn from. And then I have posted a Seesaw that will become active at 8 a.m. Wednesday morning for you to post your application from the mini lesson. Today is a day 5, and so you have a PE assignment from Mrs. Yip. There is an activity on the PE's Seesaw. You can also come down here just to see the instructions in the video, but you do need to log into the Seesaw for the PE class in order to submit to the activity that Mrs. Yip has posted. As normal, go ahead and take a brain break, have lunch. Mr. Maurer has also put in a video clip doing 10 partner games that you can play inside your home. So you can grab your sibling or do it with your parent or a friend and get moving. For math, you guys have a couple of things on Khan Academy. I noticed that some of you guys aren't watching the videos, and that's okay because you're still getting 100% on the exercises, but you do have a quiz today that is on area. So make sure you guys are completing and catching up on those Khan Academy assignments. I'll email those of you who haven't posted anything later this week if you haven't completed those. As usual, you have Chinese homework from Mrs. Lucia. And you do have a brief writing assignment today, and I will be meeting with Carl, Jonathan, Matea, and Chloe on Thursday. And you guys can click on this link to see which day and time Miss Yang will be meeting with you with your writing. So you do need to have a good piece of writing for Miss Yang and I for you to work with Miss Yang and in order to become the best writer that you can be. We will actually not have a read aloud today. Thank you, Clara, who read for us yesterday. The reason for this is because I kind of want to space it out. A lot of us are spending a lot of time on the screen, and so we're going to space out our read aloud, and we'll have Curtis be reading for us on Thursday. And if you're interested in signing up, go ahead and click here and email me a day that you're interested, or let me know a day that you're interested in doing your read aloud. Okay, so that is for Wednesday's learning. Feel free to email me throughout the school day if you have any questions. Okay, bye.